Good morning, students. So let us continue with the 8th problem of the exercise 1.3. The question is, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here we have to find S51. So now see here. We will write the given information. So here given see here. Second and third terms are 14 and 18. So second term means it is A2 which is equal to 14, and then A3 which is equal to 18, and then n value it is 51. Find the sum of first 51 terms. This indicates that it is n. So now see here. Here A2 is equals to 14. A2, what is A2? It is A plus D, which is equal to 14. I call this as equation number 1. Then now A3 which is equal to 18. What is A3? It is A plus 2D. A plus 2D which is equal to 18. I call this as equation number 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2 in order to get the values of A and D. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. See that. So now A plus 2D which is equal to 18, and then A plus D which is equal to 14. Now change the signs here. So minus. So here plus A minus A it cancels. 2D minus D it is D. Then 18 minus 14 it is 4. So we have got the value of D. Now substitute this value of D in equation number 1 or equation number 2. We get the value of A. Put D equal to 4. Put D equal to 4 in equation number 1. So now A plus 4 which is equal to 14. Now take 4 to the RHS, it becomes minus 4. A which is equal to 14 minus 4. A which is equal to 10. So we have got the first term. So now we know the first term and the common difference. So by making use of first term and the common difference, we can find the S51, that is the sum of first 51 terms. So see here. We have Sn which is equal to n by 2 inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now here A value it is 10, D value it is 4, and n value will be 51. Yes, 51 which is equal to 51 divided by 2. 51 divided by 2. Then into the bracket 2 into A it is 10 plus 51 minus 1. 51 minus 1 into D. What is D here? It is 4. It is 4. Then simplify this. Yes, 51 which is equal to 51 divided by 2 inside the bracket. So now 2 into 10 will give us 20 plus 51 minus 1 it is 50. 50 into 4 it is 200. Now add these two now. Yes, 51 which is equal to 51 divided by 2 into how much we get? If you add these two, we get 2 to 0. So now here 2 ones are 2, 1, 1, 0. So now 51 into 1, 1, 0 it is 5610. Yes, 51 which is equal to 5610. So this is the answer for the 8th problem. So pause the video to note it down. So the next question it is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So we will write the given information of this problem. See here S7 which is equal to 49, S7 which is equal to 49, and S17 which is equal to 289, and we have to find Sn value. So first I will take up this one now. So therefore S7 which is equal to 49. So here we have the formula Sn which is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now the value of n it is 7. So we get S7 which is equal to 7 by 2 here. 7 by 2 inside the bracket 2a plus, what is the value of n here? It is 7. 7 minus 1, 6 d. Now what is S7 here? It is 49. So write 49 here, which is equal to. So now take this 2 inside the bracket. It will be divided to the first term as well as to the second term. I write 7 as it is. Then I am taking these 2 inside the bracket. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We get only a here. Plus. Then 2 ones are 2 threes are. We get 3d. Now in the next step, you take 7 to the LHS. It goes to the denominator. We get 49 divided by 7. So 49 divided by 7, which is equal to a plus 3d. So a plus 3d. So now it is 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So what is the equation now? A plus 3d is equals to 7. I call this as equation number 1. So see here, 7 on the 7 sevens are a plus 3d equal to 7. So next we have to consider S17 equal to 289. Now S17 which is equal to 289. So here S17 which is equal to n by 2, that is 17 divided by 2. So I am using this formula now. Then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n here? So n it is 17. 17 minus 1 will give us 16d. I have written directly. Then substitute the value of S17. It is 289 which is equal to, then write 17 as it is. Then take 2 inside the bracket. Will be divided to both the terms. We get a plus 8d. A plus 8d. Then take 17 to the LHS. It goes to the denominator. It becomes 289 divided by 17, which is equal to a plus 8d. A plus 8d. So it is 1s and 17s. This implies that a plus 8d, which is equal to 17. I call this as equation number 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2 in order to get the value of a and d. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. See here, first I will get a plus 8d. A plus 8d which is equal to 17. Then I will write this one. A plus 3d. A plus 3d which is equal to 7. So change the signs here. Minus, then minus. So these two get cancelled. 8d minus 3d. It is 5d which is equal to 10. Then d which is equal to, so 5 take it to the RHS, it goes to the denominator. 10 by 5 it is 2. The value of d we got 2. Then substitute this value in equation 1 or equation 2, we get the value of a. So I take up the equation 1. Put d equal to 2 in 1. Then a plus 3 into d. In place of d I write 2 now, which is equal to 7. Then a plus 6 which is equal to 7. A which is equal to 7 minus 6. Then a which is equal to 1. So the first term it is 1. Now we have the first term and the common difference. By making use of these two, we can find the sum of first n terms. See here. Therefore, yes, n which is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here, yes, n which is equal to n by 2 into 2a. What is a? It is 1. So 2 into 1 plus n must be written as it is, n minus 1 into d. D value it is 2. So now see here, yes, n which is equal to n by 2 inside the bracket, 2 into 1 it is 2 plus, now multiply 2 with these two terms, 2 into n it is 2n, then 2 into minus 1 it is minus 2. So now plus 2 and minus 2 get cancels, then we are left out with 2n. Yes, n which is equal to n by 2 into 2n. So again 2 and 2 get cancels. So we have n and n. n into n it is n square. Yes, n which is equal to n square. So this is the sum of first n terms of this particular problem. Next question is, show that a1, a2, so on an form an AP where an is defined below. The first case it is an equal to 3 plus 4n. In the second case an equal to 9 minus 5n. And also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So I will be solving the first problem. You will have to take up the Roman number 2. So let us solve the Roman number 1 now. So first one, an which is equal to 3 plus 4n. N which is equal to 3 plus 4n. So now for n equal to 1, we get a1 which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, which is equal to 7. Now for n equal to 2, so we get a2. For n equal to 2, we get a2 which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 it is 8 plus 3 will give us 11. Then n equal to 3, a3 which is equal to, so 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So this is going to be 15. Then n equal to 4, a4 which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4. So now 4 into 4 it is 16 plus 3 it is 19. So now we have to go for a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 and then a4 minus a3 and we'll check whether we get the same difference or not. So now a2 minus a1 which is equal to, what is a2 here? It is 11. So 11 minus 7 which is equal to 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Then a3 minus a2 is equals to, a3 minus a2 which is equal to 15 minus 11 which is equal to 4. Then a4 minus a3, this is equals to 19 minus 15 will give us 4. So see here, we are getting the same difference. Therefore, it forms an arithmetic progression. Here the difference is same. Here the difference is same. Therefore it forms an AP. It forms an arithmetic progression. So now also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So see here. we have yes n which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now yes 15, n value it is 15 now. Yes 15 which is equal to 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 into 2a. Here a it is a1. What is a1? It is 7. So 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into d. D it is 4. So now yes 15 which is equal to 15 divided by 2 into the bracket it is 14 plus 15 minus 1 it is 14. 14 into 4 it is 56. So now yes 15 which is equal to 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2. So now add these two we get 70. So it is 70. So now 2 ones are 2, 35s are. So now 15 into 35 will give us 525. So it is 520. This is the sum of first 15 terms of the Roman number 1. So you will have to solve the second case. So this is all about the 10th problem.